So I'm using shredded paper as mulch for all my buckets. And here's the reason why. I use Vermi compost um, for fertilizing my plants, and because of that I have living worms in there. I don't know if you see this guy. There you go. They're not very far. They're right in the mulch layer, and underneath that you see the roots. So the roots are right at the boundary, and the worms live happily there. So actually I can feed whatever I would feed the vermicompost directly into the plants, and the worms will be happy and convert it and drop the little, do what they do with the little packages right on the roots. So I do this everywhere. It keeps the soil moist, and it gives a sort of a boundary. Over here I don't think I have any worms in here, simply because I might not have had enough vermicompost when I prepared my soil in the buckets. But I do have like worms almost everywhere. Right here is one, and they're right at the boundary. And I can feed them banana peels or stuff. And let's see if they would have more here. Oh, a bunch here. So they're right underneath at the boundary, and add more stuff, and they just love it. So I probably fed these worms, and they're just decomposing whatever is. And you can put whatever you usually put in the worm bin. So I use the shredded paper as mulch wherever I can. I have there's an office building nearby, and they keep me all their shredded paper. So that's the tip for today. Have a nice day. Happy gardening.